So I'm about to get my makeup done at the MAC Studios in Sarit Center. Let's see how that goes. We'll start off with our primer. Always prep your skin using a primer. So it will hold your foundation throughout the day and also create a barrier between your skin and makeup. So this is the Hyperreal Ceramizer. Once your face, you go in with that. Always apply that before going in with your makeup. Just massage it using your hands. I'm just using a brush for hygiene purposes. Alright, so that will create a nice canvas to lay on your makeup. Yeah, so next up will be the foundation. So this is our new foundation. Lovely. So what's the difference between your new foundation and the other one? Alright, so as you can see with our new foundation, it comes with a pump. The previous one did not have a pump. This also is infused with skincare. It has sugarcane kelp to control any shine that you might have, and also hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin. Because as much as you're shiny, your skin needs hydration. Yeah. It will look so good, it's buildable, it's breathable on your skin, and it does not feel heavy at all. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm number 47. So you can use this technique to blend. You dab instead of dragging, so that you don't displace the first primer that we started off with. You just push it to your skin, it will give you a nice natural finish that you will love and have it for 24 hours. So always use a foundation brush when you're blending out your makeup. It looks so good, and also you have amazing, beautiful skin. Yeah, so even the makeup sits even so well. I love it so far. Yeah, so we'll do the whole face so that at least you can go home with a nice face bit. Build up on your coverage, because at least once you see it's not enough, you can always top up. Instead of starting up with excess, then you'll have up to wipe or maybe look cakey or something. Makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Always take your time with blending. Let blending be your cardio. Hii ndio sasa workout yako. So next we'll be doing powder, because you said you like a nice natural finish. This will be amazing for that. It gives a skin-like look, and it will perfectly blend with your skin. Yeah. That's shade dark. Okay. Again, always start small as you build up. And remember the technique, you push it down your skin instead of dragging. So this, we are setting the foundation as you build on coverage and give you a nice radiant look. So the previous one was a foundation brush. For powder, you need one that is fluffy and dense. Yeah. Yeah, just like this. There you go. So the last product that you'll use the setting spray. This is a Stay Over setting spray. It's alcohol free. It makes your makeup sit so well on your skin, reduce on transfer, as well as hydrate your skin throughout the day. Oh, it also reduces on transfer. Yeah, it does. That's why it's called Stay Over. So it literally makes your makeup stay for 24 hours. So when you're spraying, you have to do it at an arm's length. Don't do it so close to your face, not to make your products run. You need it as a mist. Yeah. So you can close your eyes. Always make sure it has gotten to all parts of your face so that it can make your makeup stay. Yeah. And with that, you have a nice natural look for an everyday kind of makeup. I really love this look, guys. So if you like this, you can pop in at any of the MAC stores and have a quick makeup fix. It takes about 30 minutes to look this fabulous. I can't get enough of this look. So let me give you a short tour of the MAC store in Sarit Center. So these are the foundation shades, guys. whichever your skin tone is, you cannot miss a shade. So they start from here all the way up to here. These are the prep and prime products. From here we have the primer, here is the setting spray, yeah, and of course they have the skincare products also. Like this is the cleansing oil, this is the hydration serum, and this is their moisturizing cream, and on this side they have the lotion. This is the hydrating micellar water. So anything that you need, anything skincare, anything beauty, visit any MAC store. To get to know your shade, visit any of the MAC stores in Nairobi or any part of the world that you are in, and they will test it on your skin for absolutely free. And also, not to forget to get a sample so you can also taste it and see all the goodness it comes with.